It doesn't snow very often in the deep south. When it does, it's kind of a big thing. Kind of like these big snowflakes. Today I'm going to show you all how to build these for less than $10. With just these few items you can build these snowflakes. First off, you'll need coat hangers. You'll need 16 of them. I got these at Dollar Tree. A pack of 7 was nothing but $1. So you're going to need 3 packs. So you're at $3 now. You'll need some white zip ties. These are the 4-inch ones. A pack of 100 was about $4 or $5. You'll need a hot glue gun and of course some hot glue. Now the first thing you want to do is take your coat hangers, place them on a flat surface with the bases towards each other. Make sure your hooks are facing the same direction. Then take your 2 zip ties and zip tie at each end. Now if they overlap here where you zip tied at, that's not a problem because we'll solve that later on. Now once you have your 8 pairs of coat hangers zip tied together, you'll start the layout process. You'll take 4 sets of your coat hangers and basically make a plus sign out of your bases. Make sure your hooks are the same pattern all the way around, and then zip tie the hooks together as well as around the center point. When you put your zip ties on, you don't have to get them extremely tight. That's what your hot glue gun is going to do. So once you get all the outside and inside zip tied together, you're going to place a dab of hot glue at the joints. After you let your glue dry, get your pair of scissors and cut off the tag ends of all your zip ties. Now once you clip off your zip ties, you're going to start the process all over again and assemble one more just like this. Now once you have both your pieces assembled, lay them out where they're offset to each other. Try to line your centers up as best you can where your hooks meet the bases all the way around. Once you get them lined up, get your zip ties, and where they meet, zip tie them together. Now once you get the 2 halves zip tied together, you can put your little hot glue at the joints just to strengthen it up a little bit. Cut off your excess zip ties. So here's our finished product. For less than a $10 investment, I think it turned out pretty well, considering the fact that you can go to the big box stores and buy similar snowflakes for $30, $40, even $50. Now if you wanted to make a second one, for another $2 you can get enough coat hangers to make you another one. Now you could add lights to this, you could spray paint it, you could do pretty much whatever you want to do with it. All I'm going to do is basically tie some fishing string to a tree, make a loop at the end of it, and hook it to these hooks so it can just float in the breeze. Overall, I think it turned out pretty well.